Hello, WallpaperLand family. Brick wallpaper is a versatile and stylish choice that can add character and charm to any room in your home. Today, we'll explore 5 brilliant brick wallpaper ideas that you can use to transform your living spaces. Let's get started. Idea 1. Industrial chic living room. Our first idea is to create an industrial chic living room. Brick wallpaper with a weathered, rustic look can instantly add an urban feel to your space. Pair it with metal and wooden furniture, and you've got yourself a trendy and cozy living area. Idea 2. 𝐒𝐄ZY rustic kitchen. Next, let's talk about your kitchen. Brick wallpaper can create a cozy, rustic atmosphere, making it the heart of your home. Opt for a red or brown brick pattern to enhance that farmhouse feel. Idea 3. Sophisticated home office. Our third idea is to use brick wallpaper in your home office. A sleek white or gray brick wallpaper can add sophistication and a modern touch to your workspace, promoting productivity and creativity. Idea for a relaxing bedroom retreat. For the bedroom, brick wallpaper can create a relaxing and inviting retreat. Opt for a light-colored brick pattern to keep the space airy and serene. This design works well with both modern and traditional bedroom styles. Idea 5. A playful kids' room. Finally, let's bring some fun to your kids' room with brick wallpaper. A colorful brick pattern can add a playful and creative touch to the space, sparking your child's imagination. Brick wallpaper is a fantastic way to add character and style to any room in your home. Whether you prefer an industrial chic living room or a cozy rustic kitchen, these ideas will help you transform your spaces. Thank you for joining us on this design journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wallpaper inspiration and home decor tips from WallpaperLand. Until next time, happy decorating. Thank you for watching.